So this week we're going to be talking about statistics, and there's a lot of things we can do with statistics. We can analyze statistics to find out information about all kinds of different things, and people do this. It's some people's whole job is to analyze data and look at the statistics. But the first step in order to do anything with statistics is we have to collect data. We have to gather information. And in order to gather information, we have to ask the right types of questions. Because if we ask the wrong types of questions, we're not going to get good data. So the right types of questions to ask is a good statistical question. Okay, so a good statistical question is going to give you a variety of answers. You don't want to ask a question that only has one answer, because then you're only going to get one piece of data. You want to ask a question that has many answers. So for example, a really bad statistical question would be for me to ask you, what color is this pen? Because there's only one answer. Everyone's going to answer green because that's there's only one answer to that question. But if I asked you, what's your favorite color? Everybody might have a different answer. Some might be repeats, but I'm going to have a variety of answers. Some people might say green or blue or red or pink. And so I'm going to have a variety of answers. Similarly, if I asked you how many candy bars are in this package, that's a bad statistical question because 2 is the answer. But if I asked you, what's your favorite type of candy bar? That's a good statistical question because you could have many different answers. You might say Twix or Snickers or Reese's, and we could collect data on everyone in our class's favorite type of candy. And that would be good data that then we could put together and analyze. And we'll talk about that later. But the important part to start with is to ask the right statistical question so that we can get good data.